Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular USB microphones to help you choose the right one for your recording needs. We have the Audio-Technica AT2020 USB+ and the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone. Let's dive into the comparison and find out which one comes out on top. Starting with the price, the Audio-Technica AT2020 USB+ is priced at $67, while the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone comes at a slightly lower price tag of $59. So, if budget is a concern for you, the FIFINE microphone might be the more affordable option. When it comes to sound quality, both microphones excel in their own right. The Audio-Technica AT2020 USB+ features a high-quality AD converter with a 16-bit 44/148 of a kilohertz sampling rate, ensuring superb audio. On the other hand, the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone offers excellent sound quality with its wide frequency response and ability to handle high SPLS. You can expect crystal clear audio from both microphones for your recordings. Moving on to additional features, the Audio-Technica AT2020 USB+ comes with a headphone jack and volume control, allowing you to monitor the microphone signal with no delay. It also offers a mix control to blend your microphone signal with pre-recorded audio. The FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone, on the other hand, comes with a durable arm set including a broadcast suspension boom scissor arm and a double pop filter. These features offer great flexibility and reduce unwanted noises for professional recordings. In terms of compatibility, both microphones are versatile. The Audio-Technica AT2020 USB+ is compatible with Windows 7, Vista, XP, 2000, and Mac OS X. The FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone, on the other hand, offers a direct plug-and-play connection to PCs and laptops without requiring any additional hardware. But do note that it's incompatible with Xbox and phones, so choose accordingly depending on your setup. And that wraps up our comparison between the Audio-Technica AT2020 USB+ and the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone. Both microphones have their own strengths, so make sure to consider your specific needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Stay tuned for more product comparisons. See you next time.